In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to design tumblers in Canva. If you want to create custom drinkware, personalized sublimation tumblers, or print-ready wrap designs inside Canva, getting the setup right is what makes the difference between a clean professional result and a design that looks stretched, blurry, or misaligned once it wraps around the cup. The good news is that Canva makes this process much easier when you build your file correctly from the start. First, open Canva and create a proper high-resolution workspace instead of using a generic social media or letter size template. Go to the top right corner and click Create a Design, then choose Custom Size. Change the unit from pixels to inches. For a standard 20-ounce skinny straight tumbler, enter 9.3 inches for the width and 8.2 inches for the height, then create the new design. Starting with the right dimensions helps your final wrap fit better and keeps your text and graphics looking sharp when printed. Once your blank canvas opens, turn on the tools that help with alignment. Click File, go to View Settings, and enable Show Rulers and Guides, then turn on Show Margins as well. This is important because tumbler designs wrap all the way around a cylinder and the left and right edges meet at the seam. Keeping your most important text and focal elements safely inside the margin area helps prevent anything important from being cut off or trapped in the overlap. Next, add your background and main graphic elements. On the left sidebar, click Elements. Then use the search bar to look for graphics or textures that match your theme. You can search for things like seamless ink textures, leopard print patterns, or floral line art depending on the style you want. Filter your results using graphics or photos, then drag your chosen design onto the canvas. Stretch your background so it reaches all the way to the edges for a full bleed effect. That way, the wrap looks complete and polished when printed. After that, add your text. Click Text on the left and choose Add a Text Box. Enter your main wording, whether that is a name, a short phrase, or a brand message. Keep it concise so it stays readable on a curved surface. Then use the top toolbar to choose a bold, clean font style. Position the text in the center of the canvas and watch for Canva's alignment guides to help you place it neatly. Before exporting, do one final review. Make sure your text sits inside the margins, your background reaches the edges, and everything looks balanced. Then click Share, choose Download, set the file type to PNG, and download your finished design at a crisp resolution. That's it. You now have a clean, print-ready tumbler design created directly in Canva. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next